If you've been building apps with AI, you've almost certainly heard of Lovable, and it's a solid tool, no doubt, but a lot of people hit the same frustrations with it. You feel boxed into just building the app, you want more than one type of output, and you kind of wish one tool could handle your whole project instead of you paying for 5 different subscriptions. So today I'm going to show you how to build an app without Lovable using Runable, which is honestly one of the best Lovable alternatives out there right now, and I'll show you exactly why by the end of this. Quick note, there's a link in the description if you want to create your account and follow along. Now let's get into it. Head to runable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, open the artifact picker and select website, because in Runable, a full app is built through that same builder. Now the app building experience itself is everything you'd want. You describe what you want in plain English, focusing on what users can actually do. So you'd say something like, build an app where users can sign up, create a personal reading list, add books with a title, author, and status, and mark them as read or unread with a clean dashboard showing their progress. And for something with real functionality, you turn on plan mode first, so the agent asks smart questions and writes out a full plan before getting it right the first time. Then you watch it come to life in a live preview, and here's what's happening behind the scenes, the serious stuff Runable sets up for you automatically. A real database for your data. Secure user authentication so people can actually sign up and log in. File storage for uploads. Stripe so you can take payments and charge for subscriptions. Even transactional emails. A full working backend, and you never touched a line of code. And you refine it all just by talking, add a search bar, add a settings page, change the layout and the preview updates in real time. When you're ready, you hit publish, and it's live on the internet in minutes with a custom domain if you want, and you can download the full source or push it to GitHub. So far, that's a great Lovable alternative on its own. But here's the real reason to switch, and it's a big one. Lovable builds apps. That's basically it. Runable builds your app, and then in the exact same place, with the same subscription, it also makes your slides, writes your reports, generates your images and videos, designs your carousels, and even runs a general AI agent for you. So instead of paying for Lovable for your app, plus a separate tool for design, plus another for video, plus another for docs, it's all one tool. Your app is just one of the many things it does, and it remembers your preferences across projects too, your brand colors, your style, so everything stays consistent. So that's the move. You pick website, you describe your app around what users do, you turn on plan mode, you refine through chat, and you publish a real full stack app without Lovable and with a whole creative toolkit sitting right next to it. And that's it. That's how you build an app without Lovable using Runable. If this gave you a reason to rethink your stack, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.